I'm going to walk you through a new foreclosure that hit the market in our area. I've been selling foreclosures for 20 years, and unfortunately, a lot of the times we get stupid pricing, but this right here is a perfect example of something just not making sense. As we walk through this house, remember, it's listed for $66,000. That's right, $66,000 on this house. Okay, let's walk through and let me show you real quick. First off, here's your front yard. It's mostly underwater. You've got this dilapidated shed thing here. So here's the side of the house. That is asbestos siding right there, which is not good at all. That reason alone, I wouldn't touch it for anything. I mean, that's a mess. Start dealing with removing that and redoing it. Probably the best thing about this little house is this shed structure out here. And you'll agree with me once you see the inside of the house. But look, I mean, you've got wood rot everywhere. You've got siding, roof, the outside AC unit is, and how ridiculous the price is. Now there is an upstairs. There's an upstairs bedroom, I guess you can call it, room, whatever. But okay, like I said, your siding is asbestos siding. That is a huge headache, and if you're gonna fix it or take it down, then that's a big issue. So there has been a little bit of woodwork here done on this front porch. And here is your living room. I doubt you can see it in the video, but this floor's got some really big slant to it and some spongy areas. It's off grade, so there's no telling what the subfloor structure is going to look like. So you get your living room area, the little sitting area, could be, I guess, a little dining room area. You've got your kitchen. It probably looks much better on video than it does in person. Best feature, the inside air handler, it looks really new. I mean, look at that. It's shocking that thing is still here, not been stolen. Okay, so here's your two bedrooms. Here's your living room, dining area. Now there is a stairwell right there going up to the bedroom area, but I'm going to show you this back room, closet area. And the stairs going back down to the living room area. I mean, that's it. This house is listed for $66,000. I don't know how they came up with this one. There's just no way. I mean, this house has already been on the market at least over a week, at least. It's not sold. For foreclosure not selling in the first week on the market, the only issue's got to be the price. Because as bad as this house is, if the price was realistic, somebody would be buying it.